Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to make an AI with a behavior tree. Gonna learn how to make task and changing from a task to another and doing simple animation to the AI and fixing the bugs. So follow with me. So let's start. We go to our content drawer and we create a new folder. We name it AI and we create a new artificial intelligence behavior tree. We name it BT underscore my AI, and we create also a blackboard. We name it BB underscore my AI BB. So the behavior tree is the logic, and the blackboard is when we stock. It's where we stock the variables. And so we open our behavior tree here, attached here. You can see it's already assigned it the blackboard that we created. So let me explain. In a behavior tree, we have the roads, and the nodes are executed from top to down and from left to right. So it's similar to the blueprint. So we're gonna see. So the first node we're gonna see is a selector. So what a selector do? First when we use it, it's gonna start with the left node that we assign to it, and change the node based on a value that we're gonna use a decorator. So we're gonna use now a sequence. A sequence, what to do is execute nodes from left to right and then from left to right, so it's repetitive. That's what you do. So what we're gonna see now, and we want our AI to patrol, so we need to give him a task. So we have a task named move to, but we need it to move frequently, and we assigned the zone that the AI move to. So we delete this and create a new task. I'll create here a new folder, we name it tasks, and we name the patrol. So this is our task. It's similar to the blueprint. So what we're gonna do here is, first time we come is use this function receive execute AI. So what is do this when we call our AI behavior to it will start executing from here. And what we need also is the finish one. So if you don't finish hit the code, the logic here, it won't pass to the next node, so it got stuck. So we need the node finish execute. So this is like finishing executing successfully. What we're gonna do now is use AI move to move our AI, and the destination is a function get random reachable point in a radius. This is a function, and we give it also the origin need to be player, the AI location. So we do get actor location, and we give it the origin, as you can see. And if this is unsuccess, we do a finish execute, and we can do here success or we can't. The code will execute the same thing. This is just for another users. So let's do success here. So as you can see, try to, okay. So the AI move to, we move him by 100. And the zone, let's give him 800. As you can see here, let's compile. So let's go to call our task. So we do the task patrol here. You can see compile here. Okay, and let's test this out. So what we're gonna do here is create a new blueprint class, actor. Okay, I did the wrong here. Blueprint class, a character, rename it ppl underscore my AI character. So we open this up. As you can see, it's like the third person character because parent is character. So we give it a mesh. So let's just give it the SKM many. We need to give it here to adjust it minus 89 and location minus 90. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is create new AI controller for give the brain to our blueprint character. So we go to the third person map and we open the console drawer. We create a new blueprint class. We go to all classes and search AI and we do this AI controller. Okay, we need to get this here and select and we name it EP underscore our, or you can say my AI controller. So we need to open this and what we're gonna do is go to our event graph and we need to do is run behavior tree event begin play. Okay, it says let's give it the behavior tree here and let's compile. Okay, good. Then we go back to our BBA character and we give it the controller. So let's test this out. We're gonna spawn it in the world and let's run this. As you can see, the AI character don't move. That's because he don't have a navigable space. So what we're gonna do is let's go to volumes and do an Nash bond volume. So let's go here and do all. Let's scale this up to 20 to 20 and 20 and search for it and let's press the P key and it's gonna generate space that the AI can move in. So we can scale this more to 25. It's look good now and let's see. As you can see our AI moving. Let's add a wait time. So we go to tree behavior. As I told you, the task or the nodes are on from left to right. So the first one will be the move in, and second one, let's do the weight. Let's do here 1 second, and let's check this. We move, wait 1 second, then move again. You see that you don't have animation, so let's create an animation for our AI. So let's go to the content drawer. So let's create our animation. We go to animation and legacy, then spins 1D and SK mannequin skeleton, and we name it here my AI, then spins 1D. We open this, we go to our horizontal axis here, and the name we give it speed, and maximum speed 600, and we do snap to grid. We get our idle animation and put it here, and we get the run one to here. As you can see, we can see the animation play. Okay, good. Go back to our third person. So let's create a new animation now. Animation blueprint, the same as Kit mechanical skeleton. Name it ABB underscore my AI animation. Let's open our ABB. So what we're gonna do now is get our length space 1D and do a default slot, punch it here, and promote our speed to use it in event graph. As you can see, the animation is plugged in. We go here and we cast to the PPAI character, and we punch this here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get velocity. This is a vector, so we need to convert it. So we use a function vector length, and then we get, we set the speed here, and let's compile here. Okay, and we go back to our PPA character. We give it the animation. Okay, let's set this out. Okay, you can see the rotation is not good. So we go back here. We need to give it a little snappy. So we remove the yaw here. And we use our controller rotation. And let's test back. As you can see, we go to see the tree behavior. So from the root, go to selector, select our sequence because of the default preference that is on the left, and then the sequence from the left to the right, and repeat. So what we're gonna do now is do this second task. So we go to our tree and we do a sequence here, and we didn't name the first one, but let's name it. We name it here patrol, and let's name this chase. Okay, let's set this task, so we need to create new task. Okay, let's choose this and let's rename it to chase. Okay, so we move this task patrol. What we're gonna do now, get our receive execute AI and do here the finish execute. what we're gonna do here is AI move to, and destination will be get actor location. We need destination to be our actor location, so we do get character, get player character, and we give it a target actor here. So what the AI gonna do is go chase our character. So we give it an acceptance radius of 80, and on success we're gonna finish execute. I'm gonna show you an on fail one, but we will be back later. So control pound here. So let's go back to our tree behavior. So we need to do a logic from going from the patrol to the chase. So we need to add first our task, VP task chase. I think we didn't save here. What did we forget something here? Try here to rename it. It's sometimes do a problem, I don't know why. Let's name it to chase player. Then get task chase player. There is a problem in 5.4. We need some time to rename the tasks. I don't know why this happened. Okay, so let's go to our blackboard to create a logic from changing from this to this. So we get or create a new variable, boolean, and we name it player scene. So we give it a default value of false, as you can see here. And what we're gonna do here is go back to our AI tree behavior, go here and add a decorator here of type of blackboard. What we're gonna do is okay, what the decorator will be is on the result change. What we want to do is if the player is not seen, this is will run. So on a result change, if the player was seen, it will go back to the selector to choose again. So the observer abort will be safe, self I mean, not both, because each one has its own. This need to be changed to player seen, and this is not seen, so we do self, and the value is player seen. You can see we added the decorator here again also, and with the same thing, decorator will be on result change, it will be self, same value. So what we're gonna do is go here, and this is will run when player not seen, so we do is not set, and this is when player is seen, so we do is set. Okay, so what we're gonna do now when the value gonna change, so we go back to our BB AI character and we add a new pound sensing. Okay, and let's remove this. What we're gonna do is do a function on C pawn. Okay, so what we're gonna do when a pawn is being seen, we cast to EB third person character. So if the pawn is our third person character, so what we're gonna do now is get our AI controller and get the blackboard. Okay, the AI controller is gonna be self, so it's this AI controller. What we're gonna do now is change a boolean value, so set value as bool. Okay, here, so the value is gonna set to 2, so we're gonna make the value the boolean name. So we go back here to the blackboard and we get the name and we copy paste it here and it's compiled. So if we was seen by the AI character, it will change task to chasing us. So let's test this out. We're gonna correct some on the pawn sensing. So the sight radius we gonna change it to 500 and the angle to 15. I think this is good. So let's try this out. Okay. Okay, we need to give it a more radius here so we can see us better. We go to 700 and the angle gonna get it to 60. Let's compile first and test again. And as you can see, the AI character is chasing us. So what we're gonna do is reduce the AI speed so it don't snap to us. We go to character movement and go to the max walk speed. So from 600 we do 400. Okay. File and let's test this out. Okay, as you can see, it changed. Okay, it's following us now. So the problem, like if you go to a place when the AI can't come and here, so it will block because here we go to this. Let's go back to behavior tree. As you can see here, we go to the tasks, is chasing, but what will happen is he will run the on fail because he failed to following us and he will be stuck like you see here. It's a bug, so let's fix it. So what we want to do here is if the chase player is on fail, we wanna do is cast to AI controller and the object is gonna be the controlled pawn and controlled pawn we're gonna get AI controller. Return value is gonna cast to it. And what we're gonna do now is get the blackboard. So get blackboard and gonna make set a bool, make literal name, and we're gonna copy the name of the bool here. We go to chase player and we copy the name here and we set it to no. So let's check this out. So when the AI will start chasing us, and this is will run smoothly, and when we go to a place he can chase us, he will gonna go to his routine. As you can see here, gonna be back to the first one. So we fixed the bug. You can also add your own customization when you want him to go back if he was chasing and didn't get us and he go back to this. But I show you a simple trick to avoid the unreachable radius and get it back to the first task. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video and learned about the AI tree behavior, and if you want more videos, subscribe to my channel and like if you want to support me. I will post you a good video on the left. It's about casting interfaces and difference between them. I explain them good. So that's all. See you.